In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove devices from Google Play. Before we begin, there's one important thing to know. Google Play doesn't let you permanently delete old devices from your account in the usual sense. However, you can hide them so they no longer appear in your installation list when you're choosing where to send an app. For most people, that's exactly what they need, especially if they've upgraded phones, stopped using a tablet, or just want to clean up their device list. To get started, open the Google Play website in your browser. Once you're there, look to the top right corner of the page and click on your profile icon. This is where Google keeps the account-related options for Play, including your device settings. After clicking your profile icon, find and select Library and Devices. Depending on the version of the layout you're seeing, this option may also appear as Manage Devices and Accounts. Don't worry if the wording looks a little different on your screen. Google sometimes changes menu names or updates the interface, but the destination is the same. Once you're inside that section, click on the Devices tab. This is where you'll see the devices connected to your Google Play account. The list may include phones, tablets, Chromebooks, or other Android-compatible devices you've signed into before. If you've had your Google account for a long time, you might notice several older devices here. Now, find the device you want to remove from view. Next to that device, you'll see an option labeled Show in Menus. To hide the device from your Google Play installation list, simply uncheck that box. As soon as you do that, the device will no longer show up when you install apps from Google Play on the web. Just keep in mind that this hides the device rather than fully erasing it from your account history. So if your goal is to stop seeing inactive or outdated devices in your app install menu, this is the setting you want. A quick tip before you finish: if you're not sure which device is which, take a moment to look at the device name and last activity details if shown so you don't hide the wrong one. And if you ever need that device to appear again, you can come back to the same devices section and re-enable show in menus. That's all it takes to clean up your Google Play device list and make app installations a little more organized.